Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I thought we'd take a look at this 56 Beetle I have had for quite a while, so it's time to do something with it. It's pretty rough shape, typical Wisconsin rust. I picked this up, it's a little south of Madison, Wisconsin. It was sitting in a barn. A guy used it in college, and after college he just stored it in a barn for a few years, and then I picked it up. So it has this black, one coat black paint job over the top of, originally it was Horizon Blue, so looks like a Mako type thin paint job. Stickers from when he had it in college, 1998 and a 2000. This one here is 2000, and I think that's the last year it was on the road. He parked it after that, and then I got it a few years back now. It's originally the Horizon Blue. It's, interior's paint's pretty good, but like I say, typical rust. Floor pans are bad, the corners are rusted. So I think I'm going to separate the body from the pan, fix all the rust holes. I have patch panels for everything. Probably just patch the floor. We'll take a look at it. His original floors, so I'd like to keep them if possible. The corners are all good, and the doors don't drop at all, so that's structurally sound. W deck lid's still good shape. Looks like it was out east, is where it was bought. Engine's out, but has the original split case transmission still in there. It was ground out for a 12 volt, but that won't matter. We'll build a 36 horsepower motor for it. That'll be my project for over the winter. We'll put together a video series on building up a 36 horsepower for it. Under the hood looks pretty good. No big rust holes on the firewall. The spare tire well needs help, like they all do. But yeah, pretty complete. So wiring, will all be pulled out. We'll put a new harness in it. Early hood with the small bracing. So this is an August 56 car. So that's right around when they stopped with that smaller bracing and they went to a larger bracing. Still a 4-tab hood on the 57s, but the bracing is a little different configuration. Otherwise looks pretty good. No accident damage at all, so I think that'll just clean up on the inside. We'll see what we can do with this paint. If anyone has any ideas on how to strip one layer of paint, I'd like to just get the black off of it down to the original blue. Heard of people using oven cleaner, steel wool. If anyone's had any success with removing a single layer of paint to reveal the original paint, leave it down in the comments on what you did. That there's just a little bit of lacquer thinner, softened it up pretty good, but yeah, I know it's going to be a lot of work. We'll see how it comes out. Otherwise we'll just do a quick paint job on it. The seals are all good, so I'd like to keep it, even if it's just kind of a rat rod look. It's pretty rusty. I have better projects to do better restorations on, so this one I just want to get kind of structurally sound and back on the road as original as possible. Doors are really good. No rust in the bottom at all, which is surprising. Those usually rust out. Headliner's gone. That's got to be pulled out, sprayed down with bleach. There's been quite a bit of mice activity in here, so we got to disinfect it. So I guess now we'll put it up on the lift and take a look and see what's underneath.
Looks like the front beam grease is leaking out of it. Obviously needs a rebuild. New kingpins and link pins. Front firewall. It's a built-in foot vent. Wheel wells look really good. Oh, except on this side. Hole there. Bosch horn. Looks like some piece off the Titanic. Floorboards are easily replaced. Bottom of the heater channels. Gonna need some help in the back here. Can maybe get away with just patching the back half. This one actually looks good. Oh, no. These bushing caps are always rusted. That's the corner we saw on the inside. Transmission has a nice protective coat of grease. Actually, a starter still in there. Some type of motorcycle shock on the back there. This looks like a real shock here. Bumper brackets pretty much gone on the back. I don't know if I got a back bumper with it or not. I'm sure it looks like the front bumper. Rear body mounts are completely gone.
So the next thing we'll do is start on the engine. Grab a case here with something close to a 56 serial number, and those will be the next videos. So thanks for subscribing. Please leave a comment, thumbs up, really appreciate it.